If you're not finding what you're looking for, there's nothing wrong with expanding your search beyond the U.S. to other countries where there are many, 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 many very beautiful single women. What is it like to be single in America? It's lonely, right? There are a lot of lonely men in America, a lot of lonely people. And what options do we have if we're lonely? You know, there are dating apps. You can go out and join a dating site, a profile, a personal site, if you will. There are many men that do that with mixed results. If you're not finding what you're looking for, there's nothing wrong with expanding your search beyond the U.S. to other countries where there are many, 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 many very beautiful single women who are every bit as lonely as you are. And they're good women with good hearts. They're sophisticated and educated and alluring and interesting and capable and remarkable. They really are. They really are. They're amazing women to be admired. They just happen to be single and lonely, and there are cultural reasons why it's difficult for them to find a serious, romantic, marriage-minded, stable, sober, productive, emotionally balanced guy. And if that's you, my brother, you gotta get on a plane and go get your girl. There's no point in being lonely. That's dumb. We don't need to be lonely. We're men, and loneliness sucks, and we're not here to be lonely. We're here to live our lives and give our love, right? We are. Most of you who have found me, you relate to my message, you understand it, you agree with it. Certainly a few of you don't, and that's okay. If for whatever reason, we don't resonate, we don't click, and you don't like my message, guys, that's okay. That's absolutely okay, because what we do and what I do is definitely not for everybody. And if you're a negative person and your glass is constantly half empty and you feel you've got a lot to gripe about and a lot of axes to grind, I'm definitely not your guy, because I'm not. There are a lot of angry people on the internet. There are a lot of people who have had negative experiences in dating. Some of it's not their fault. Some of it is. Every now and then I get a bunch of emails after every one of these webcasts from you guys just telling me how much you appreciate my being here, and that's great, because I really like being here for you, right? And for those few of you who write to me and we just don't agree on a lot of things, you know what? I'm sorry to say it. I don't want to offend anybody, but I don't care. I'm not here to entertain anybody. I'm definitely not here to entertain the negative, right? What we need here are men who lock arms together, who look at each other and see good men with positive attitudes and good values who should not be alone. We lock arms together and we go forward and create happiness and create love. If you're lonely and you're sad, you spend a lot of time waking up and looking back, right? I talked about this last week. It's very, very typical for men to wake up and look behind at the last failed relationship, right? Or at the divorce, or whatever happened in this job, or whatever we did that we're not happy with. And of course, there are many positive things to look back on as well, but you know what I'm talking about, right? We wake up in the morning and we look back on things that are lonely and sad, especially if we're not in love and we want to be. What do? We look back on the last relationship or the one before it, and why they failed and what happened. And that's sad, but it's very typical behavior. What do we do about that? That is not going to change. That backward vision is not going to change. It's going to be our focus every day until we choose to change what we're looking at. And the easiest and best way to do that is to look ahead to what's next.
can find thousands of stunning, sincere single women serious about finding love and the perfect man for them. Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Learn more at
PoltavaWomen.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.